In today's video, I will guide you on how to scan for malwares on your Windows 11 computer. This process is very simple. With two settings, you'll be able to check for malwares on Windows computer. The first process is to use the Windows Explorer, and the second process is super easy. So watch this video till the end. First, bring out your Windows Explorer on your laptop by right-clicking on there and click on Task Manager. Once you click on Task Manager, you have yourself at this place. Now, go to the process and scan through this place. Take a look at what you see. Let me expand this. Take a look at what you see here. If you do not identify any of this process here, or thing that is running on your background here, then that might signify a malware or a virus on your device. So you have to carefully scan through or manually check through this yourself. Just take your time and check through it. Scroll down, take a look at it one after the other. If you see suspect windows that is not working on your device, just take your time and scan through from the base, from the top to the base of this page, and see if you see anything that is running on the background and it is not known or you cannot easily identify such, then that might be a virus. Now all you have to do is to source click on it and end task on such particular information you see that is not on your device. So once you do that, and like what you see here now, there's no hidden thing that I do not understand here. I virtually see this every time since I install my Windows, so there's no virus or viruses here on my laptop. Now that I've done that, then you are good to go. This takes us to the second process. The second process is very simple. You need to use what is called Express Explorer device to scan your computer. This can be done in a very simple way. Go to your browser and type in Express Explorer. Then click on the first one. This one that says you have to download this from the Microsoft itself. Once you click on it, then it brings to this interface. Click on this button to download this software on your device. Once you download this software on the device, then you need to extract it by right click on it, then click on extract, or then click on extract, and you extract it like this, and open the file like this one. Now you have three options here. Open the second one. This one, once to click on it, it comes out like this. Then click on this run button. Once you click on this run button, just wait a few seconds, it comes out like this. Now you can see that everything on your computer is here. You can see if there is any virus here, you're going to see it, and it's going to come out in red color, signify danger. You can see that even while my Opera is working, it's scanned through my Opera internet, and every site I'm visiting is working. It's scanned through my Google Chrome, everything is working. So if you use any website or any app on your device that is virus or suspect to be a virus, it's going to scan through and you're going to see it here. Now that I've done that, now come to this process, this way that says view. Click on this view button. When you click on view button, come to this one that says column section. Click on it. Under column section, make sure you enable this one that says virus total. Click on it, then click on OK. It brings this function. Click on OK. Now this will also help to strengthen the virus. If there is going to be virus on your device, you're going to see it here as soon as you enable that. Then another thing you need to enable, so that you be sure that your system is free from malware, is free from viruses, is to come to this place that says option. Click on this option button, then click on this one that says virus total. Check virus total. Click on it. Once you click on it, take your time again and scan through. You have to manually check this and scan through. If you eventually see any one of that is red at signify danger, either from the websites you visit or either from any apps on your device, then all you have to do is to just right click on it and do what? Kill the process. You kill the process completely, or you delete it. So with this, guys, you'll be able to identify if there is malware or viruses on your device. That's all, guys. We have been able to use two important information to scan through malware on our device. So if you are able to do this and you achieve what you wanted, and you've not subscribed, please subscribe. Don't forget to like, share, and drop your comment in the comment section. If you have any question, then you can ask. We're going to attend to you as soon as possible. See you soon, guys, on our next video.